Hey guys, anybody know if it's October yet? Well, it is in this video. So we're going to do the most popular design on my menu all October long is the cutesy pumpkin. So we're going to start off with your favorite orange shade or yellow. You can definitely Google pumpkins. They come in all different colors and shapes, so choose what you like. Then I choose a light green color for the top of the pumpkin. This is using my round number 3, and we'll just create a swirl for fun. And because we have a little bit of extra paint left on our brush, we might as well use it, add some grass. Now I have my round number 3, and I have Mehron edges black for the outlining of the pumpkin. There we go, and then 2 flicks at the bottom, a swirl at the top. Go ahead and stamp your brush down to create the pumpkin's eyes. 2 flicks for the eyelashes, and the letter W for the cutesy mouth. You can be done here if you've got a free to the public event. If you have a little bit of time, grab that round number 3 again with a yellow shade to add some highlights. Then you'll need your favorite white and the round number 3, of course, to add 2 dots in the eyes. That's it. You're done. You can add glitter, swirls, stencils, whatever you like. Happy Halloween, you guys. I'll check you out in the next one.